Hey there, it's Dr. Joe Wilson with Simply Revered coming to you with the CMO Minute. Okay, sinus infections, the Stranger Things edition. Sinus infections can feel like the upside down, all right? The most common causes for sinus infections are viral, all right? So keep that in mind, and they usually get better within 10 days. It's just uncomfortable, okay? But the bacterial are often suspected if it's more than 10 days. You also got to factor in, like, sometimes it can be insidious if you've been having like exacerbation of allergies for a couple of weeks and then you start feeling just worse and you're just not getting better. Please share that with your doctor, and just instead of just saying, oh, it's been 3 days, I feel like I have a sinus infection, put it in context, please. All right, so bacterial sinus infections, keep in mind, greater than 10 days of symptoms, you're feeling worse, you have fevers at times. Fevers can be for about 3+ days, and they just worsen. All right, some remedies: saline rinses, drink plenty of fluid. Sometimes you have to reach for those over-the-counter nasal steroid sprays, steam your environment, rest. Also consider bromelain. That's coming from pineapple extract, but it comes in a pill form. But that's been used over in the European countries, specifically Germany. There have been studies that show they use that for chronic rhinitis and sinusitis. So factor that in, as well as there is the Xclear, Xclear nasal spray. The base ingredient is xylitol because it has great antimicrobial properties and anti-inflammatory properties. I am going over the CMO Minute, but I really just want to make sure that you know that there are options for you and that you're not beholden to antibiotics. But if you are feeling worse, please give backstory, all right, to your medical provider. And the whole takeaway is don't demand antibiotics too soon. And if you are going to demand them, please come with information, like come loaded with like, hey, I've been having these symptoms for greater than 2 weeks and why. All right. So this is Dr. Joe Wilson with your CMO Minute. Have an awesome day. Feel better.